pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
Guys, we're back at it with another live trade. This one is a little different. All JPY during this beautiful sunset time of Asia session out here in Texas. It's 6:31. I want to take a buy on this trade. And matter of fact, I think I want to tell the team to buy right now. Yeah, take a buy on all JPY. The reason why is because I see this thing pulling back. Now this is not it's a downtrend, but I see an area where it's going to be pulling back. So I'm gonna take advantage of it pulling back. If I go to the hour chart, I'm suspecting for it to pull back to this area right here. So let me put a line on there. This structure area right up in here. And then that's where I'm going to be looking to take a sale from. So I'm just scalping up a buy. And then I'm going to take a sale up here. So because that's the structure level that I think that is about to pull back to. Now, it may not come all the way back up there. That's why we have to play defense. That means I may not get it all the way up. But I'm going to play, you know what I'm saying? That's what I mean by defense. I can kind of tell on the 30-minute chart or the 15-minute chart when price is about to slow down. It's showing me some wicks. I'm gonna go and get up out of there. And then but still, listen to this. Like when you get into these trades, like the little minor trades, planning for the big trade, just because you got out of that trade that was against the trend, that quick one, just because you got out of that one quick, don't mean that you got to hurry up and take the sale right then and there because you got out of that first quick one. In my case is the buy. All right. You still have to wait for price to come up to your entry. You still have to wait for price to come up to that discounted area. Even if you took profit on that minor trade. So just understand that. All right. Don't get scared and don't bail out and try to start chasing it. Let it come back to you. Even if it take 2 days from now, get it at the discounted price. If not, skip it, move on to the next trade. You feel me? Go on the GBP USD at London session. Like one thing my son, right, you taught me was like, man, don't panic, man. Just skip it. You know what I'm saying? Remember you told me that?
Yeah, I told you that yesterday at the gym.
You was like, skip it, bro. Like if it ain't there, it ain't there. Skip it. Like don't panic. It's gonna be another one for sure. You know what I'm saying? And something like accountability is so key in this industry. Accountability is so key because my son can help me relax when I be like, man, I want to catch this. I gotta catch this. He be like, no, this ain't right. Is all the confirmations hit? It ain't right. So I be listening to him and they be clutch. So we in a little bit of profit. You can see it going up here. So I'm about to look at my son. What are you doing? But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and chill out, man. Probably go in the backyard and hit some golf balls. Practice my swing a little bit. Because I want to get out there Thursday and work out. So while we monitor this trade, let's go get some work in.
I got a little something.
Listen, y'all just don't know how blessed it is to have this setup in my backyard, how much money I'm saving. And then we about to put the net up over there. We got the net. I don't know if you can see it. You can raise the net up and down. And so if the ball, if I hit it, if it bounce back, the net will catch it. So right now it's lowered, but we can raise it up to about 3 feet. The thing that really made me swing faster and better, let me just tell you, step back and watch this. When I drop my ear to the ground like this position right here. So I'm coming up here and then I drop my ear down. It allows me to whip the club through. Watch. Good shot. Well, one of the things that I forgot to tell you, we're halfway to the TP, so I'm about to move up the stop loss and everything, because like I said, this is just scalping. We just making some daily income. But what I forgot to tell you was the reason why I was comfortable with taking the buy is because price made a minor higher high, which is right up in here. So price broke that level right up in there. It even broke the wick level too. So it's a minor level that it broke, but it's good enough to scalp, especially when you know price wants to come up and fill that gap. And that's where I'm gonna take the sell at, once price fill that gap. Don't get me wrong, but I'm making money both ways around here. Ain't that right, son?
Yes, sir.
We making money both ways. All right. And my son called out a great trade, by the way.
Oh man.
And I was over analyzing it, and he missed it, so I had to make him 2 wins to make that up. So we caught a little bit yesterday, and we caught this one just now. So I made it up for you, son. But anyways, I see. Look at all of these wicks down here. You see all these wicks? So you can have confidence, but you can't take it at the bottom because you don't know that that's the real bottom. You gotta let price print out all these wicks. The moral of the story is this, team. Look how many wicks it had to print. Look how many wicks I let it print. Look at all of these wicks I'm marking up. Look at all those wicks. I had to sit here and watch that happen. And then I had to let price shoot up in my, in the intended direction, which is the green candle shooting bullish. All right. So then my confirmations was met for me to scalp this buy. Now you move up the stop loss. It's a risk-free trade. You can't lose. Take partials if you want to, or take all of it. But the real trade is going to be at 103.185. And price may not sell from there. What if price ends up buying from there? I'll be ready for it. I'll be ready for it. We came close to TP, but when I saw that price went to the 50 moving average on the 15-minute chart, I was pretty much knew that I should take profit from there. And you can see, because I really wasn't looking at the 15-minute chart at this point. But something told me to go down there and look at that 15-minute. When I'm scalping, I'm on a 30-minute, 15-minute constantly. 30-minute, 15, 30-minute, 15. Once I saw price was hitting that 50 moving average, I said it's probably a wrap. It still might got a chance to go back up, but I don't like my chances. You feel me? So, like I said, it still might go up, but I'm not gonna take the chance on that. I already knew coming into this was a scalp trade. So we in and out. The next opportunity is 103.185. All right, guys, so comment below. Let me know if you are learning from these videos, because I'm doing these for y'all. And look, if you want me to continue to lace you up with this game in these forex markets, then you already know what to do. Like this video, comment, and subscribe. Let's make this money, baby. Peace.
No, I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a bro. We getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh? We getting paid, Stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a bro.